If you're posting lash content and you're not getting lash clients, it's your marketing that's the problem. And I've got 3 simple fixes that'll help you get that together. Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, fellow lashpreneur and lash marketing educator. I teach lash artists how to become lash marketers because marketing grows clientele, not pretty pictures and reels on Instagram and TikTok. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad that you clicked this video to learn 3 quick tips on how you can fix your lash content that is not bringing in clients. Let's get to it. First things first, you should check your content strategy. Do you have a content strategy? And if you don't, it's time to develop a content strategy. Within your strategy, your purpose should be to post with purpose and not just post to post. I shared this in a live recently here on YouTube, which you can find on my channel, about the purpose of content. Your purpose should be one of 3 things for every piece of content that you put out there. If your content is not doing one of these 3 things, then it's not a purposeful content, it's just a piece of filler content, which isn't always bad, but if you're trying to build your clientele, posting bad content, I mean, that's kind of the problem. So one of 3 things. The first thing, your content should be educating your ideal client or your target audience. If you don't know who your ideal client or your target audience is, I also have lives on this channel that explain how to understand your target audience, how to create your target audience, and how to build your brand identity and create content around them. So you should be aiming to educate them. A lot of times us as lash artists, we get so caught up in the practice of doing lashes or in the skill of doing lashes that when we post content, we're either talking to other lash artists or we're sharing the content and talking not to our ideal client. So ask yourself, what do your clients need to know about lash extensions? What do they need to know about their natural lashes? What do they need to know about your service process when they come in to get their lashes done by you? This is a part of education, and educational marketing was the thing that took me from 5 clients to 25 clients to completely full books in a matter of 6 months. So make sure that you are setting yourself apart as an expert or as the expert and obvious choice for your ideal clients. When they see your content, they need to feel immediately like, I need my lashes done by her. Number 2, for purpose. Your content should educate, it should entertain. Entertaining your ideal clients allows them to see a glimpse of your personality. Who are you? Or do they feel like they can connect with you when they come in to get their lashes done? When they see your space, how does it make them feel? How do you make them feel? How do they get to see your personality? Everybody loves to laugh. Everybody loves to be engaged in what you're doing. And entertainment doesn't mean that you have to do some goofy, silly reel where you're falling down, rolling on the floor, or doing something crazy. Entertainment could be a day in the life video, sharing with your ideal clients what it's like for you as a lash artist when they're coming in and what you're doing behind the scenes in their services. So making sure that you engage with your clients in that way. Now, I always give this warning to be very, very careful when you are entertaining, because there's a fine line between entertainment and disrespect. There are trends sometimes that circle around on TikTok and on Instagram with trending sounds, and lash artists take them, flip them, and do probably more damage to their efforts to getting clients than actually helping, because the sound will be something along the lines of, you ain't got to go home, but you got to get the hell out of here. And in the context of the video is, you know, when you finish a client service and the client is kind of lingering at the end. Okay, that may be funny to other lash artists, but are lash artists coming to you to get their lashes done and bringing you money? If not, you don't create the content for other lash artists. So just make sure that you are not disrespecting your ideal clients in your entertaining content. And then number 3, you should entertain, you should educate, and you should encourage. Share something relatable. Share something transparent. And I'm not saying put people in your business, but you can share something that can encourage them, a message that you may have received recently that has helped you. You can share that in a static post, create a carousel, find a trending sound on Instagram that has a motivational sound to it, and put you some B-roll content on there. There are so many ways that you can encourage your clients through your content. So make sure that you are doing that for your ideal client. And remember, you're not creating and doing all this for everybody. It is only your ideal client, your target audience. Think about a bull's eye and how it has that red circle in the middle and all the white and red circles around it. The goal is to hit the bull's eye in the middle with the dart. Same thing for your content. Your content is the dart, and the goal is for your content to hit or connect with your target audience or ideal client, which is the little circle in the middle, every time you post something. Okay, let's move on to step number 2 because I went down a full rabbit hole. But I hope you got your notes because I got my notes, and I want you to actually take notes and apply this stuff so that you can have wisdom and not just knowledge. Step number 2, stop trying to talk to everyone and start talking to directly who it is that you want to come in to get their lashes done. When your messaging is too broad in your content, you're not getting booked. It's like walking outside and saying, hey, come get your lashes done, and expecting everybody to turn around and come to you to get their lashes done, versus walking up to somebody, a lady who you think would want her lashes done, and saying, hey, my name is T the Brand. I'm a lash artist. I specialize in natural lashes that last 3 to 4 weeks, whatever your shebang, your spill is, sharing that with that one person and offering them, would you like to come and get your lashes done? You have a better chance of them saying yes than you going outside saying, hey, come get your lashes done. That's exactly what you're doing with your content when you're just talking to everybody and not your target audience. You have to get so clear on who this person is that everything you create, everything that you market speaks directly to them, connects directly with them, and makes them feel like I need to go get my lashes done by whoever you are. A great way to challenge yourself into this is to stop creating generic captions. When you create captions like full sets are, I don't know, $150, or book now, click the link in my bio to book now, you're not giving anybody a reason to actually book, and that's why they're not booking. But if you take that same whatever you're posting and flip the caption into something like, if you are ready for soft natural lash styles that enhance your beauty without looking dramatic, click the link in my bio for a new experience. Like, are you giving them a reason to think about coming to you? If you're just saying book now, that don't make me want to book now. But if you tell me I'm about to be able to come in and relax, unwind, get my lashes done, my lashes are gonna last, whatever it is that your target audience needs to hear, now I'm paying attention to you. And statistically, it takes somebody 7 times to see your content before they even think about booking with you. So make sure that you are talking to your target audience in every piece of content that you create. And also, don't be afraid to create the same kind of content over and over again. Everybody is not going to see every post that you make. That means if you post about the value of a lash bag today and I didn't see it, well, if you post about it again in a few days, maybe I'll see that reel, and maybe I'm more inclined to come to you because my lash artist doesn't give me lash bags. That is not the real case. I'm just saying, for your ideal client, maybe that is, and then that's what gets them into you. The point is, stop creating generic messaging in your content and find you exactly who it is that you want to talk to, aka your target audience or ideal client, and only talk to them. And lastly, step number 3, or fix number 3, show your face and start building trust. People are not booking with just complete strangers. If they don't know what you look like, if they don't know what you sound like, if they don't know what your space looks like, they're not coming. Is it you or is it Bob the Builder that's about to come and work on their lashes? They don't know. And you are trying to build a trusting relationship, or at least some type of trusting bond, with a complete stranger through the internet, through social media. So it is very important that you show up. They need to see you. They need to know what you sound like. They need to get a feel for who you are. They need to be able to trust you in some regard. So please make sure that you are showing up. Sharing your pretty lash pictures and creative lash reels, they're not going to be enough. So a quick tip for this, if you're uncomfortable with showing up on camera, start by practicing with just your camera on your phone. When you're sitting doing nothing, set your phone up, turn the video recording on, and just talk. Start by getting comfortable introducing yourself. Hello, everyone. My name is XYZ. I almost say Stanley because I looked at my cup. XYZ, and this is what I do. Start practicing, and then go back, look at those videos, critique it, see how you can improve. If you have someone in the lash industry who you trust, maybe a lash bestie or a mentor or some type of educator or something you connect, send it to me. DM me on Instagram and I'll watch your video and help you get to the point to where you feel comfortable, or give you some feedback so that you can get to a point to where you feel comfortable, because everybody needs that. Instagram also has a feature where you can go live but practice. So once you go to the live option, you can change the setting for it to just be you. That way you get comfortable being in front of the camera. Start by talking in your stories, taking your clients, your ideal clients throughout the day with you, educating them in little sprinkles throughout your story when you're working or when you're practicing if you don't yet have clients. Start talking in reels, just showing up to, you gotta show up, okay? That's the point. So to wrap this video up, we had 3 key fixes that are going to help you fix your content and hopefully create some more attraction from your ideal clients so that they can become your actual loyal clients. I hope that this video was helpful. I love building community on this page. So if you have any questions about anything shared in this video, drop it in the comments and I am going to answer it for you ASAP. Make sure that you guys like the video, and if you want a deeper dive into understanding your target audience, knowing how to create your brand identity around your target audience, and learning how to create content specifically for them so that it never misses, it always hits, and you build your clientele, DM me. Actually, just comment clients. I was going to send you to Instagram, but just comment clients and I will share with you the link to my masterclass, From Crickets to Clients, that helps lash artists understand their ideal clients, create content that connects with them, and get booked. Again, y'all, I'm T the Brand, fellow lashpreneur and lash marketing educator. I help lash artists become lash marketers, because what? Marketing is what grows clientele. I hope that this video was helpful and I will see y'all in the next one.